Hey girl, hey, what is up you guys? Today we're making 4 DIY phone cases. I'm so excited. I haven't even tried these off camera. So I guess we'll find out together. So I have everything here that I'm gonna need for these phone cases. We're making a squishy phone case. We're making an hourglass phone case. We're making a watercolor phone case. And we are making a clipboard phone case. Before we begin, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Audible. If you watch my videos, then you know I work often with Audible. We have a good friendship and I love them. Audible is basically digital spoken audio for anyone who's wondering. It basically reads to you. I'm the type of person that loves a good book, but I'm usually not the type to sit down and actually pop a book open. I actually used to think I hated reading, but to be honest, well, actually, I'm not a huge fan, but I feel like I've never really actually looked into reading because I'm just quite busy, to be honest. Because I like a good book, but I'm not into the actual reading, you know what I mean? I feel I'm just the type of person that rather listen to a book so that it doesn't affect my schedule. If you're a busy person, then Audible is definitely for you. There's a huge selection of audiobooks, audio shows, news, comedy, and so much more. So I recently discovered the really motivational side of Audible. You know, all those books that help you be a better you. I'm currently actually listening to Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. And it's one of those books that's really motivating if you're into finance. It shows you how to make your money work and it's super motivating. It's one of those things that they don't teach you in school about finance, but things that you gotta learn in the real world, you know? I don't just recommend this book to adults, but I also recommend it to children because you will learn a lot from it. So Audible is available on iPhone, Android, Fire tablet, iPod, MP3 player, and Audible is also offering a free 30-day trial if you sign up with audible.com/Karina or text Karina to 500-500. You go to audible.com/Karina or text Karina to 500-500. I will also make sure to leave the link down below for you guys. Thank you so much to Audible for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on to this video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Alright, let's do this. The first phone case we're gonna make is the easiest. This literally took me like 1 minute max, not even kidding. All I needed was a phone case, some mini squishies, and some charms, and I just kind of placed them where I thought they would look cute, and then I just stuck them on with some hot glue, and that's it. And it's such a cute and effortless phone case, and it's one of those that looks like it would just cost a lot of money, and it's just so effortless. You can find a lot of squishies on Amazon, you can find them online, you can find them on Etsy. I get my charms on Etsy as well, and I just stuck them all on here, and that's basically it. It came out super cute. Okay, if I said the first one was the easiest, I definitely lied because this one literally took me like 10 seconds. So this is a clipboard phone case, and all you need is one of those little paper clips, but not the very thin ones that you use to put papers together. It's like, okay, it is called a paper clip, guys, but it's these type right here. It's a mini one, and these come in a colorful pack, and I just glued it on, and you can cut out little pieces of papers, and that's it. It's really cute. It's like a little clipboard. Next up is another super easy DIY. I'm pretty sure these are all really easy. This is a watercolor phone case, and when I started off, you guys, the first one I did was kind of a fail. Not really, I mean, it was kind of cute, but so what I did is I took a phone case and I drew on with Sharpie, basically, like some spots on top, and then I took some alcohol with a droplet. Is that what it's called? The droplet dropper. And then I just sprinkled it on there. Is that the right word? And it went down, and I feel like it just kind of made a mess because I kept adding more and more Sharpie marks to make it better and more colorful, and I feel like it just kind of looked like a hot mess after. So I did it again, and I did it with just blue and pink, and I just did the top, and I didn't really focus on it being super colorful and just leave it more simple but cute. And I actually really loved how this one came out. Once that dried, which by the way, alcohol dries really fast, it took like 10 seconds, I decided it was cute, but I wanted to add a little bit of iridescent star glitters, so I went in with some clear glue and just sprinkled these right on top. And after that, I put a piece of white paper under and I just cut it and outlined it like my phone. I did this because I wanted the watercolor to pop more, and it came out really cute. This is actually the one that I ended up keeping on my phone after this because it's so simple yet so cute. So last but not least, I did an hourglass phone case. This one was a fail at first. I actually tried this like 3 different times with 3 different methods, and this is the method that worked the best. For this, I actually printed out an hourglass stencil, and then I traced onto a projector paper and then cut that out. So then I went in with some colorful pipe cleaners. I just shaped it around the stencil and glued it down with some hot glue. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the stencil, the exact same thing, and go around with the pipe cleaners, but on this side I'm going to leave a space so that I could pour my sand in. And the reason I'm using pipe cleaners is because it's the only method that I could find that would keep a space in between 2 of the films so that we have a space for the sand. Does that make sense? So now that that is done, we're going to leave this space open right here. You want a space open so that you can pour your sand in. I went ahead and traced and cut out another of the projector paper little film thingies, and I'm sticking it right on top. We're not gluing down the side again. The one with the empty space with the gap open, we're not going to glue that side down because we are going to we're going to fill it in first. I hope I'm making sense, y'all. I feel like I struggle sometimes to explain things, but you see how it's glued down but the space is still open? Leave it open and go ahead and pour in your sand. Now, what I did is I just went in with some colorful sand that you can literally get anywhere, Michael's, Walmart, Target, or you can just use real sand. It's up to you. Now, I will say, this is definitely not an hourglass that is functioning. You know, the real ones, how they actually take an hour or however long to come down. This is more just of a fun phone case. It's not actually, you know, it's not gonna really count time and all that. But then you just glue in the space. Once you're done, you glue in the pipe cleaner and cover it up, and that's it. And then this, we're just gonna stick it straight onto our phone case. And that is it. We have an hourglass phone case. This definitely took a minute, y'all, to figure out. But I feel like this method, it's pretty easy, it's effective, and it worked. I like it. It's cute. And that is it for these DIY phone cases. I think these came out really cool. My favorite one is definitely the squishy one. I'm honestly impressed. Like, I didn't think it would come out this cute. I really like this one too because it's like really cool and like watercolor. It's kind of like tie-dye in a way. I think this is my favorite one though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to click that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys and I will see you guys next time. Bye!